How to edit photos online with PhotoPad Online. Start by going to photopadonline.nchsoftware.com and opening your photo. Once uploaded, your image will appear in the Home tab, where you can access common actions such as saving and printing. To begin editing, explore the different tabs available. The Edit tab contains basic edit tools such as crop, rotate, and resize. For color adjustments, go to the Color tab, where you can modify settings such as brightness, contrast, hue, and saturation. If you prefer ready-made styles, the Filters tab offers presets like grayscale, sepia, negative, vintage, color boost, sunglow, and more. You can enhance your image further in the Effects tab using tools such as blur, sharpen, pixelate, vignette, and local focus. Go to the Tools tab to add text, images, and borders to your image. To improve photo quality, head to the Retouch tab, where you'll find the noise reduction tool. For more creative options, the Creative tab includes tools for making collages, adding clip art stickers, and transforming your photo into a cartoon or oil painting. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the Effects History and Layers panel, which keeps track of all the changes you make. You can adjust your effects here, expand them using the arrow icon to view details, or remove any effect by clicking the X icon. When you're done editing, simply click Save to save your image to your device, or click Print to print your edited image. For more PhotoPad tutorials, visit the website shown on your screen.